keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yeah. We have to select India. India. Yes. P L
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
India. Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
English India. Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout?
Hindi. Where is Hindi? Is Hindi, India. Next.
Which keyboard layout do you want to add?
The India, Devanagari. Add layout.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
I don't have internet now.
Just so you know, connecting to a network now could save you some time later. If you want to get that out of the way, choose yes.
Continue limited setup.
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You
Accepted.
type what you want to name your account.
I have to type my PC name. This is where is yes, next.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
I'll set up later.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
Okay. I'm going to not change these settings.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing even when you switch devices. Just choose Yes to sync your activities. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
This might take several minutes.